are going to see integers. What are integers? First of all, let us see whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If we add negative numbers like -1, -2, -3 and so on, then we get integers. If we want to represent them on number line, we can represent them like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Now we are going to see absolute value. Absolute value is represented like this, and absolute value of A is A. Whether it is negative or positive, we always write positive value without any sign. And what is the meaning of this absolute value? Suppose we want to find the absolute value of 3. Then absolute value of 3 will be 3. It means what is the distance of 3 from 0? 1, 2, 3. 3 units. So its absolute value will be 3. If we want to find absolute value of -2, then it will be only 2. Absolute value of -2 means distance of -2 from 0. Then it is 1 and 2. 2 units from here, so it will be 2. We will not put minus sign here. Again, if absolute value of -5, then absolute value of -5 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 units. It will be 5. Whether it is negative and positive, we always write the positive value without any sign. That is the absolute value of any integers. Now, let us see addition of integers. First we will see addition of similar sign. Addition of integer with similar sign. Suppose we want to add 3 and 2. Here both are positive. Then we will add simply 3 plus 2, 5. We can write +5 or 5 simply. Suppose we want to add -3 and -4. Then here we will add their absolute values. That is, absolute value of 3 is 3, and absolute value of -3 is 3, and absolute value of -4 is 4. 3 plus 4 we get 7, and the similar sign, that is common sign, is minus, so we will put minus here. Let us see another example. -5 and -10 we want to add. Absolute value of -5 is 5 and -10 is 10. We will add them, we will get 15 and put the common sign minus here. In this way we can add integers with similar common sign. Now we are going to see how we can add integers with different signs. Integers with different sign means one is positive, other is negative. Then what will we do here? Suppose here we take an example 10 and -5. We have to add 10 and -5. Then we will find their difference first. 10 minus 5 we get 5, and we will put the sign of the number which has greater absolute value. What is the meaning of this? Absolute value of 10 is 10 here. Absolute value of -5 is 5 here. This is greater. Then what is the sign of this here? 10 plus. So it will be plus. We may write 10 plus sign here or not. We may not write plus sign also. Now let us take another example. -5 and -12. We want to add them. Sorry, one is negative, other is positive. Again, we will find their difference. 12 minus 5 we will get 7, and absolute value of -5 is 5. 12 is 12. The greater number is 12 here, and it has positive sign. It may be written as plus sign, or we may not write plus sign here. Let us take third example. Here we have -15 and -17. Suppose this 15 is positive, plus 15 and -17. First we will find the difference of 17 and 15. We get 2 here. Now what is the absolute value of 15? 15. What is the absolute value of -17? It is 17, and the greater number is 17 here, and its sign is minus, so we will put minus sign here. Let us take another example. 20 and minus 45. Difference of 45 and 20 will be here. 45 and 20 we get 25, and absolute value of this 20 will be 20, absolute value of minus 45 will be 45. Here the greater number with absolute value is 45, its sign is negative, so it will be minus. These were the addition of integers with different signs. Now we are going to subtraction. It is given we have to subtract (10) from minus 12. Then we will now we have to subtract 10 from minus 12. Then we will write minus 12 minus this 10 plus minus minus 10. Now we will follow the steps that we have done in addition earlier. Both have negative sign, same sign, we will add them, we will get 22 here and put the minus sign. Suppose we have to find subtract minus 15 from 20. We will write 20 minus minus 15 here. Minus minus we get plus here, or we will change the sign of this. It will become 20 plus 15. Now we will follow the procedure of addition. Both are positive, both will be added. We get 35, put plus sign here, or we may not put plus sign here. We take another example also here. Suppose we have to subtract minus 13 from minus 8. Then we will write minus 8 minus of minus 13. We will change the sign of this, it will become minus 8 plus 13. Now we will follow the procedure of addition. Both have different signs, we will subtract them. 13 minus 8 we get 5 here, and the sign of the number with greater absolute value is 13, it has positive sign, so it will be plus 5. Take another example. Minus 20 from minus 50. We will write this minus 50 here. First minus of minus 20. We will have to change the sign of this. Minus 50 plus 20. Again both have different signs. We will subtract them. We will find their difference. 50 minus 30 we get 20, we get 30, and the number with greater absolute value here is 50. It has negative sign, so we will write minus 30 here. In this way we have seen addition and subtraction of integers, their absolute values. Some more we will see in next video.